Hello friend. Today we are going to discuss about the what is the conditional statement in C language. The conditional statement in a C programming are used to make the decision based on the condition. Friend, when there is an event is occur, then you have to decide something. So that's the when the condition will be there, then decision will be there. If you go through the proper decision, then you got success. So the conditional statement executes sequentially when there is no condition around the statement. If you put some condition for a block of statement, the execution flow may change based on the result evaluated by the condition. So this process is called as the decision making in C. So in a C programming, conditional statements are possible with the help of following two constructs. There are two main categories of the conditional statement: if simple if statement and if else statement. It is also called as the branching, as a program decide which statement to execute based on the result of the evaluated condition. So the if else statement or conditional statement is also called as the branching statement. So first of all we see the concept of if statement. The if statement is also known as the simple if statement. It is one of the powerful conditional statement. If statement is responsible for modifying the flow of execution of a program. If the statement is always used, if statement is always used with the condition. The condition is evaluated first before executing any statement inside the body of if. The syntax of the if statement is like that: if, then condition, and here is the instruction. The condition evaluated to either a true or false. The true is always a non-zero value and false is a value that contains 0. The instruction can be single instruction or a code block enclosed by the curly braces. So here in that if there is a condition, and if this condition is true, then it return a non-zero number, and if this condition is false, then it return a 0 value. So if when there is a one single statement, then this statement is followed by that single statement, and if there is a number of instruction, or we say that there is a block of statement, then it is enclosed within this curly brace pairs. Now this is the flow diagram of the if statement. Suppose friend, if there is a condition, if this condition, this diamond box is a condition box, this is the flow chart. In that flow chart syntax of the if statement: if the condition is true, then the code inside if body will be executed, and it will be then flow to code after if statement will be executed. And suppose if the condition is false, then it immediately jump to the code after if statement. So this is the flow chart of the if statement. Now following program illustrate the use of the if construct in C programming. Here simple program. Here in the main function I take two variable num1 and num2 of integer data type. Num1 is assigned by value 1 and num2 is assigned by value 2. And here is the test condition: if num1 is less than num2, then printf num1 is smaller than num2, closing curly brace, return 0. Why we give the return 0 statement? Because here we give the return type integer, so we return the value 0. Now while executing that program, it will be show the output num1 is less than num1 is smaller than num2. So this is the simple if statement. Simple. No, if the condition, if this condition is true, then it will be jump onto the if statement and the instruction will be executed. Otherwise it will be jump outside the if statement. Now next one is the example of multiple if statement. Suppose if there are so many condition will be there, So we can use multiple if statement to check more than one conditions. So here see that I take two variable of integer type x and y. Here printf enter the value of x. Here %d comma ampersand x. Scanf, with the help of the scanf we can read the value with the help of the keyboard. Enter the value of y in scanf %d comma ampersand y. If x is greater than y, then in the printf statement x is greater than y. If x is less than y, then x is less than y. And if x equal to y, then printf in the printf statement s is equal to y. And here in the printf statement end of the program and return 0 and closing the main brace. So here in the above example the output depend on the user input. Suppose the value of x will be 20 and y will be 20. Then x is equal to y. The message will be printed here x is equal to y and end of the program. So how the program will be executed, see here. When the value of x is 20 and y is 20, it will be go to here. If 20 greater than 20, no, condition is false, then it will be jump to the next if statement. Here if 20 less than 20, no, condition is false, so it will be jump to the next if statement. If 20 equal to 20, yes, condition is true, then it will be go into the if statement and execute the number of statement. Here printf x is equal to y and come to the left from the if statement and here printf end of the program. So it will be show the output like that, x is equal to y and end of the program. Friend, this is the simple concept. Hope you have to understand this concept. If you have any query, then ask me. Thank you, friend.